AdCombo Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to AdCombo and recommended affiliate programs are in the description. Let's dive straight into the review. AdCombo is a performance-based affiliate marketing network that specializes in CPA, cost per action offers, particularly in the health, beauty, and e-commerce niches. It connects affiliates with a wide variety of global offers and provides tools for affiliates to promote high-converting products. AdCombo is designed for affiliates who want to monetize traffic through cost-per-action campaigns, offering high-quality, exclusive offers from a range of verticals. The network is known for its global reach, providing access to offers in several countries, which is ideal for affiliates targeting international markets. Features. AdCombo's platform is built around simplicity and optimization, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced marketers. One of its key features is the availability of CPA, CPL, cost per lead, and CPS, cost per sale offers, allowing affiliates to choose the most suitable payment structure for their campaigns. The network offers advanced tracking and reporting tools, enabling affiliates to monitor their campaigns and optimize their performance in real time. Additionally, AdCombo provides timely payments through various methods like PayPal, WebMoney, and wire transfers, with a minimum payout threshold of just $50. The platform also offers dedicated account managers to assist affiliates with campaign management and optimization. Strengths. AdCombo's major strength is its wide selection of exclusive offers, especially in high-converting verticals like health, beauty, and personal finance. With international reach and offers in several languages, affiliates can tap into markets across the globe, expanding their earning potential. The network's user-friendly interface and detailed tracking features allow affiliates to run campaigns smoothly and optimize them effectively. Timely payments and a relatively low payout threshold make it easier for affiliates to access their earnings. Another strong point is the support. AdCombo provides dedicated account managers who can help guide affiliates to success. Weaknesses. On the flip side, AdCombo is heavily focused on the health and beauty niches, which may limit some affiliates looking for offers in other verticals. While the platform's simplicity is beneficial, experienced affiliates might find the lack of advanced tools for scaling campaigns a bit limiting compared to larger networks. Additionally, some of the offers on AdCombo may have higher competition, which can make it more challenging to stand out in certain niches. Final verdict. AdCombo is a solid affiliate network with a strong focus on high-converting CPA offers, especially in the health, beauty, and e-commerce sectors. The platform offers easy access to exclusive offers, reliable tracking, and timely payments, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced marketers. However, it may not be ideal for affiliates looking for a broader selection of offers outside of these niches. If you're ready to promote high-quality global offers in profitable verticals, AdCombo is worth considering. Check the links in the description to get started. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate network reviews.